Now that we've created a brand new page, titled it, and copied in content from another source, we can go back in and edit the page and change the formatting of it to make it look the way we want it to look. This page currently already has a main header style and then subheading styles that are applied to these two gold colored headings here. The main heading style is header 1, and you know that by going over to this drop-down menu here for paragraph style. When you click on it, you'll notice that you have options for the different heading styles, heading 1, 2, and any other ones that may be different down below. This one has the H1 tag applied to it. So if we wanted to change that, we could just select a different heading style. Notice how I didn't have to highlight the entire word to change that style. All I did was position the cursor anywhere on that line, and it applies that style to that line. So let's go back in and change this back to heading 1. And then this one down here below, we're going to change back to the normal style, which is the default. The default font and font size is dictated by the style sheets across your entire website. To recap that particular function, if you wanted to apply a header tag or a header style to a line of text, all you need to do is position your cursor anywhere on that line. It doesn't even have to be at the beginning of the line. Then you would roll over to the paragraph style drop-down and select the heading style that you want to apply. These header 1, 2, 3, and 4 tags are set up in such a way that they are based on the design of your website, so that when you're creating pages, you have these options to select from. This way you'll create a consistent look even when multiple editors are working on pages. If you wanted to apply a bold, italics, or underline to pieces of text, there's a slightly different approach there. You would highlight text where you want to apply the bold or italics, and the reason for this is that you're trying to isolate specific words or lines of text for emphasis, as opposed to applying one of the header styles. Other formatting options include aligning of text. You would just position your cursor on the line that you want to change, and then select center alignment, left or right justify. If you're adjusting an entire paragraph, again, at the beginning of the paragraph, position your cursor, and then you can align the entire paragraph as such. If you wanted to alternate between a numbered list and a bullet list, you would just highlight the items and then select each of those options. If you want to create space between your heading and your paragraph, position your cursor and hit the Enter key to create a double space, or hold the Shift key and then hit Enter, and it'll create a single space between the title and the paragraph. The same applies for the normal style, where you would position your cursor, hit Enter for a double space, or hold the Shift key and hit Enter for a single space. When finished, be sure to save your page and then select Preview. This will help you ensure that the page will look the way you expect it to when you publish it. Next, we'll learn how to apply bookmarks, a friendly URL alias, and the application of metadata before publishing the page.